Hi guys, welcome back to TGC Technical Gyan Center. Hope you all are safe and happy. As usual, today I have come to discuss with you very important topic. Friends, as you know that we are taking screenshot on phone, computer and in our laptop. But do you know that we can take screenshot in CNC controller also? Yes friends, there is an option and in Fanuc CNC we used to call it as hard copy function. Now let me explain you the whole process. It's a very simple process. Please watch till end else you can miss any crucial point of the process. For that, you just need a USB device or CF card for taking output of the screenshot. The screenshot will be taken and will get saved in USB or CF card whichever you have connected to the CNC system. For that, you need to set IO channel in parameter 20. In parameter 20, if you set 4, then your CF card will be active. If you select 17, then it enables your USB port. So I am selecting 17 means I am going to use USB port. Now go back to the screenshot set. So for enabling this function, you have to change the parameter 3301 hash to 1 bit, that is HDC hard copy. It will remain 1 till you manually not make it 0. It's a one-time activity only, friends. I am showing you the useful parameters like 3301 hash, what does it means, and for 4 and for 17 what does it means. Now back to the process. Now whenever you want to take a screenshot of your CNC system, what you have to do is just to press shift key on the MDI board for 5 seconds. You will see that the system clock will stop for 2 to 3 seconds. Then it will automatically start again. This means your screenshot has been taken and it has been saved in your USB port. The file saved in your USB device will be coming with name HDC and dash dash dash. You can see that in my picture. Friends, this is very important and very useful tip, as many times we used to get many alarms and we don't have that time to take photos or anything. So maybe you can tell your operator if any alarm comes, just press 5 second shift key so that it can be saved. So later on you can check the alarm and you can same troubleshoot it. Now I will summarize the whole discussion. So simple. What you have to do if you want to take a screenshot of any screen, so just go to that screen and press shift key for 5 seconds. Screenshot will come automatically in your connected device. Most important things. This function is only available in Fanuc 16i series, 18i series, 21i series. Also in 30i series, 31i series and 32i series. And Fanuc series OI model F, D, C and OI mate. Hope guys you like this technique. If you like this technique, please share and like this video. Also subscribe to our channel for getting more knowledgeable videos. We will be coming with more such important videos. Also please press the bell icon for getting all notification of our channel activity. This is your friend signing out from TGC Technical Gyan Center. Thanks for watching it. Stay safe and healthy. Bye. Take care. Jai Hind.